We is done here.
We're cabling this new store. The first thing is to install a plywood backboard.
I have to deal with YouTube, but you see, I've got this thing. That's sharp edges. Where the hell?
The conduit has sharp edges.
Now it is Saturday and the store is Monday's a holiday, so nobody's working because they don't want to pay overtime for electricians. Electricians always get overtime on holidays and weekends. What, the union bargain for this? Oh yeah. Even stupid labor union. Every trade in Alberta that's part of the union, they get double time after their work hours are 7 to 5, Monday to Friday. If you make them work outside of those hours, or you make them work holidays or weekends, you have to pay them double. Even if they didn't work 40 hours and they work Saturday, they pay double. And
so we're going to pull our cable through this conduit, nice and gentle. You gotta be careful because this is a sharp metal conduit. It's not even a plastic conduit.
wait. Okay, go.
You don't want to get it caught. And we're pulling another pull string with it just in case. Here's the front cash desk, and I'm making a nice long cable snake which I can pull. This conduit goes up the wall. It's so short that you can just push the cable up. No problem.
How is this thing even legal? How do they sell a ladder like this?
I think it's home. And of course now we've terminated our cables onto a data and a voice panel, which we've labeled. And jacks are color coded even underneath where we've bundled our service loops.